Stop by and take a look at the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power mirrors, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, rear wiper, Bluetooth, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.